Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you all how to make watermelon juice. I've washed the watermelon in salted water. Please do ensure to always wash your fruits with salt always. I'll cut the watermelon into small chunks, then transfer into the blender. I'll add little water to make the blending process easier, then blend till puree. After blending, I'll strain the puree through a fine sieve. You can also use a cheesecloth. Guys, watermelon juice is one of my favorite juice. It's packed with lots of nutrients. It helps to boost the immune system, detoxify the body, and so many other health benefits. Try and make some for your family today. Alright, I'll just throw away the pulp and the watermelon juice is ready in no time. I'm sure you enjoyed watching this video. Please do ensure you like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. See you next time with another amazing recipe. Please do remember to eat healthy and stay healthy.